How to recover lost data on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover lost data on iPhone. So first thing, just open up your PC or laptop and you will need a software that is called debug. So you just have to download it and set up already on your PC or laptop. So it's basically helping a tool for iOS to data backup and restore. So once you download and install, you just have to connect your iPhone with your USB or iPhone cable. So you just have to connect your iPhone with a wire to your computer desktop, and once you successfully connect it, just scan this from the application itself from your PC. So I can show you because I am not using PC currently. So just recover. You can also watch the videos over here. So just basically open the application successfully after installing it, and you should see the scan option there. So once you plug in your connect your iPhone with your desktop computer, once you scan it, you should be successfully able to recover any files that shows up after your successfully scanning. And once you find any files, you can simply tap on recover to recover that particular file, so whether it's photos or videos. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.